We all have heard that meditation is closing your eyes, sitting on floor with crossed legs and think about nothing, but the truth is there are many ways to meditate apart from sitting with closed eyes. Let us discuss 5 effective ways to meditate. 1. Body-scan meditation. It is a form of meditation that involves lying down or sitting comfortably and focusing your attention on each part of your body, starting from your toes and working your way up, to release physical tension and promote relaxation. The body scan meditation is a great way to release physical tension and promote relaxation, as well as cultivate mindfulness and awareness of your body and its sensations. 2. Mindfulness meditation. It is your awareness of what's going on in the present moment without any judgment. The goal is not to stop your thoughts but to get more comfortable becoming the witness to the thoughts. When thoughts come up in your mind, don't ignore or suppress them. Simply note them, remain calm, and use your breathing as an anchor. Imagine your thoughts as clouds passing by, watch them float by as they shift and change. Repeat this as often as you need to while you are meditating. 3. Loving-kindness meditation, also known as metta meditation. This meditation is to cultivate kindness for all beings, including yourself and others such as family, friends, neighbors, acquaintances, difficult people in your life and animals. Those who regularly practice loving-kindness meditation are able to increase their capacity for forgiveness, connection to others, self-acceptance, and more. 4. Chakra meditation. It is a type of meditation that focuses on the 7 main energy centers, or chakras, in the body. In Hindu and yoga traditions, the chakras are believed to be spinning wheels of energy that run along the spine and govern different aspects of our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Each chakra is associated with a different color, element, and quality, and is said to govern different aspects of our lives, such as our sense of security, creativity, communication, and spiritual connection. 5. Breath awareness. This meditation is very simple. All you need to do is watch your breath. Observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. Feel the air enter your nose, feel the freshness in your lungs, feel the rise and fall of your belly. Let go of control and just observe. These were 5 simple meditation methods to begin for beginners. Soon you will start noticing changes such as improved focus, network better, and reduced stress and anger. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.